Hi there, here I am with Mark from Rotary. Nice to meet you.
Hello there.
How's it going so far tonight?
A little quiet, but I hope I'll warm up soon.
Excellent. And explain to us, people that don't know what the Rotary Club do.
Yes, it's an international charity that helps worldwide where there's poverty, where there's natural disasters, and more locally it helps even in Lindfield itself with charity organisations and
right, so
stuff like that.
It looks after the local community as well.
As well, absolutely.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Great.
In fact, local community first.
Excellent.
But we go all the way to Nepal and
really?
Africa.
Excellent.
We nearly conquered with Bill Gates' AIDS. We've nearly conquered polio in Africa.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for what you're doing, and wish you every success, and hope that
all the best.
boxes fill up very soon.
All goes to local children in need charities. So
Excellent.
Kangaroo, Chestnut Tree House,
Brilliant.
Riding Disabled, that sort of stuff. They're
Excellent.
nominated charities.
Great. Anyway, thank you very much for what you're doing.
Okay.
Thank
all
you.
The best.
Thank you. I'm with Mia and Leisha. Nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you.
It's nice to be out after, because last year it was obviously cancelled. Yeah. And how have the last 18 months been for you both? Because you're obviously young, and with what's been going on in the world, it's obviously affected you as much as anyone else.
It's been difficult, obviously the whole lockdown, jobs and everything like that, but it's really nice to see everyone come together now.
Yeah, absolutely. And what about you, Leisha?
Yeah, it's the same really. Like, it's nice seeing everyone together.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah, it's really nice seeing everyone together. Like now,
Yes.
obviously still be safe and everything.
Yes,
But,
yes.
Yeah, it's just nice seeing family again.
Yes, absolutely.
yeah.
Yeah, absolutely agree with that. Anyway, have a lovely evening.
You too.
And so has it really affected you quite badly the last 18 months personally, or work, or college, whatever you do?
I mean, it's difficult. I was in college at the time, so it's difficult to do the work. You did your GCSEs, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so,
How did you do?
Yeah, I did really well actually. Like
Great.
surprisingly.
Oh, well done.
But yeah,
Good.
I'm really obviously happy.
Did you go to school locally?
Yeah, I did. And now obviously I'm in college.
Yeah.
Obviously it's still a bit obviously hard because everything's still a bit going on, but you obviously just have to be really careful with everything.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Good. Anyway, yeah, great. Have a nice evening,
You
and
too.
it'll be on.
The what? The procession is coming. Would have been a lot more fun if she'd been running down the road waving her arms around like.
Yeah, I really wanted to go.
Yeah, we were a bit annoyed about that. I'd imagine you can do it in the next position. Just the general public were allowed to pick up and walk around. Yeah? Quite a brutal Oh, right. Okay, fair enough.
Next to the hot sign, that's good. Hey Steve, nice to meet you. How you doing?
I'm good.
You're a local resident?
Yeah, live in Lindfield, yeah.
And obviously we missed out last year, so it's lovely to be out with the family tonight.
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, no, nice to be out mixing with everyone.
Absolutely. And how have the last 18 months been for you? Has it been tough?
I guess. Yeah, I mean, yeah. It'll be tough for everyone, isn't it? So, but yeah, no, it's good to be back out and mixing with everyone. So yeah,
excellent. Yeah. And you've obviously been coming up here over the years regularly.
Yeah, no.
Is it your favourite one?
Yeah, well, yeah. There's this Newick. There's a few of them, but yeah, no. This has always been a good one. So lived here all my life, pretty much. So
excellent. Yeah. And so you lived here most of your life. How have you found Lindfield's changed over the years? Is there still that sense of community here?
I guess so. I mean, there's lots of new houses, isn't there? Same as anywhere, really. But yeah, no, I think yeah, no, it's a good place to live.
And the high street, we've got some lovely pubs, Stand Up, for example.
Yeah, lots of memories in those pubs. So yeah.
Yeah. Which would be your favourite pub in Lindfield?
I guess Red Lion, I suppose. Yeah.
Red Lion, yeah.
Arms, yeah.
Yeah, and they do a good menu there as well.
Yeah, I've not eaten there for a little while, but. Yeah. But yeah,
and we've got the I always call it the Bear Pub at the top of the road, the Bent Arm.
Bent Arms, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, Big Bear, yeah.
And it's lovely to see everyone out tonight, and thanks for your time, and have a great night, and enjoy the time with the family.
Gee, thank you very much.
Great, cheers, Steve. Here I am with Stuart Brown of Lindfield Football Club. Nice to meet you, Stuart.
Hello, you alright?
Yeah, how you doing? Stuart, you've been heavily organising this evening's activities, I
I wouldn't say that. I'm involved helping out. The big organisers there behind the bar from the football club, the chairman, the first team manager, and so forth. They're behind the bar.
Oh, it's great to see everyone pulling together.
Yeah. Sort of making money for the club, sort of helping the football team.
Yeah. How many teams are you running here at Lindfield?
Three.
Excellent.
Teams,
Which one are you with, Stuart?
I'm playing for first at the moment.
Excellent.
Don't know how long that lasts, but.
And how's the season going?
It's going okay, sort of mid-table.
Good.
Right, yeah.
Good. And so obviously we missed out last year because of the restrictions. So it's great to.
That's why it's good. Yeah, to see so many people here today. It's brilliant. Yeah.
Excellent.
It's amazing seeing. We were a bit sceptical at the start when there was barely any people here, but I think they're all over the session.
Big queues now. Do you live locally as well?
Yes, Burgess Hill.
Oh, you're in Burgess Hill, yeah. So have you grown up in Burgess Hill?
Yes, Burgess Hill, pretty much my whole life.
So what does the local community mean to you? Obviously you give a lot back with football and doing stuff.
It's good. It's good to see something like this going on. Like I said, it's good to sort of help to raise funds for a local football team like us. this sort of money we've sort of earned towards the club from tonight is massive.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
it's really good to see the crowds.
And you missed out on that last year.
did.
And I know what it's like because you got to pay the council for the pitches.
That's it. Yeah, and the use of the clubhouse.
The clubhouse kits and so on and so forth. Anyway, great to meet you, and
thank you very much.
All
Cheers.
the best for the rest of the season.
Cheers.
Do you want to give a shout out to anyone?
Just the Lindfield Football Club. Hopefully we can start doing better. It's a bad run of form recently.
Okay.
Cheers.
All the best then.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Thank Lindfield for inviting us along this year. We've come for a few years now. We brought some more people this year, and I think you can all say we've had an amazing time.
It's been brilliant.
Really
It's
good.
been
Excellent.
fabulous, absolutely brilliant.
Excellent.
Thank you for
Fireworks
inviting
were
us.
insane fireworks.
So just to say, if I can zoom in here, so you're from Littlehampton.
Littlehampton Bonfire Society.
Great. And would you like to introduce yourselves?
That's Chloe.
Chloe.
Chloe?
I'm Christine.
I'm Sue. I'm on the committee for my sins.
She's the PR. I'm Joan, and I'm the secretary.
I'm Sarah, I'm treasurer.
I'm Stuart, I'm on the committee.
And I'm Lynn. I just turn up.
One of the workers.
Excellent. So lovely to meet you all. And
Thank you.
so last week you had Littlehampton's
We did,
own
yeah.
bonfire. So how did that go last week?
Very good.
Brilliant.
We had a
It was
really good
brilliant,
time.
absolutely brilliant.
Weather was
Good.
well,
Well,
couldn't have
it was
been
okay,
better
wasn't
for us. Nice on the Sunday, but you know.
Made lots of money. That's the
Excellent.
main thing for local
Yeah.
charities.
Yeah.
And everyone was so pleased to see us. They were really out there cheering.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So we missed this last year, so it's great to be back, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
certainly, and we missed the year before as well. So it's been 2 years since we've done anything. So it was, I was ready to explode with excitement.
Excellent. And
Brilliant.
so Lindfield Bonfire Society came over to Littlehampton last week, I understand.
Yeah, they did.
And you returned the favour. Have you done Lindfield before?
We have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have.
And what did you think of tonight?
Loved it.
Really good. Fireworks, best I've seen.
Yeah, it's a great finale, wasn't it? 25 minutes.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
Absolutely. And the Lindfield people are so friendly, and it's just such a great event to come to. We love it.
Excellent. And it's a real sense of community events like this, isn't it? So anyway, lovely to see you all, and
Thank you.
everything you've done.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.